Hey guys, welcome back. Today I want to show you a reason why your chainsaw will be burning way more fuel than it should, and also why it's not going to rev up properly. And that is if you have a plugged air filter like you see on this saw here. This is the air filter. It should be cleaned regularly and replaced as well. And simply just blowing the dust out sometimes doesn't do the trick because the dirt gets embedded right inside the filter. So again, this video here is to show you the critical importance of doing proper maintenance to your saw, especially changing the spark plug, replacing or cleaning the air filter regularly. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.